put some of this in there.
That's a red scarlet tanager.
Now, oh yeah, scarlet tanager.
Wait. The female went that way and the male went that way.
I need more of this one.
More of those?
Yeah.
Hope you,
okay,
so
he's
layering.
Yes. Rich dirt,
very topsoil.
layer of stone. Rich dirt. By the way, what's a stone? We'll talk about that more later. We make it a cone.
Okay.
Oh, with this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Let's do that at the bottom.
Then let's pretend.
Yes.
Let's pretend this is my tree.
Okay.
Okay. We've got our tree. We've bare rooted it. We've untangled it. Many potted trees, they're going to come like really mangled.
Yeah.
In fact, you're going to feel that a lot of your trees do well for a little time and then they start to struggle. It's because the roots, as they grow and get fatter, they
like
start to
pulling
choke
against
each other.
Oh
Yeah.
my.
Wow.
So
Makes sense.
instead, we have to do like this. You know, if you've ever untangled someone's hair.
Before that, I have a question. Whatever comes with the nursery, with the this tree, it comes with a part of the soil. You throw away the soil. What did you do?
I mix it
that's a
in
good
as
question.
part of the dressing.
With
At the top.
Yes, we haven't done that yet. So we'll get to that.
Good question.
So then what we do is we lay this over our cone right here, the lowest layer like this, and we take some dirt and we actually fill it in, right? And then we take, because what we're doing is we're creating a circulation system, right? And then we lay the next one over and we put some more dirt. And we build this up. Yeah, like lasagna. And then this last one up here, and we put more, right? Until we get back to the tree the way we want it. Let's say we do that all the way around. Now we do layers of earth and dressing until the hole is filled. Earth is this, okay, just whatever's there. Dressing can be compost, forest leaves, leaf mold. It can be grass clippings. It can be anything. I once took a soil science class from a man and he said, humus, humus is any organic material broken down to a stable state. Later in that class he was talking about an ideal soil model where you buy all these minerals and put them together, and he said that there should be 68% calcium, 12% magnesium, etc., etc. And so then I said, well, wait a minute, who got to choose that 68 is the target? And he said, well, actually that's based on the chemical composition of humus. And I said, wait a minute, didn't you say that the chemical composition of humus is any organic material broken down to a stable state? And he said, yeah. I said, why don't we just grow in humus then? And he said, He said, well, that's called an organic soil. And he said, there's a man up in Alaska that regularly tries to break the world record for the largest celery, cucumbers, whatever, just trying to grow the largest stuff. And he says he grows an Alaskan humus, fertilizing with a tea made from the humus. Humus is just any organic material properly decomposed to its stable state. In other words, compost is just a process of releasing parts of the matter until the plant matter is all the way to a stable state, meaning the electrons don't have anything to give or receive. They're just like laying dormant. Okay? And in that release of those electrons, you get heat. That's why your compost pile heats up. It's releasing energy. Once it releases all the energy and it's exchanged with everything around it, it's like, oh, I need an electron. Okay, let me take it from you. I'll give you mine. And then once it's all stable, that is then fully decomposed. That's humus. And it will always be, according to the teacher, 68% calcium, 12% magnesium, etc., etc. Because that is the ratio of stability. So then I was like, well, instead of buying all those things, let me just learn to properly decompose things.
Wow. And what's the best ways to decompose?
Well, it depends on where you are.
You go outside into the woods and just grab the top layer.
Well, we have woods here, and the woods is actually a living compost pile because it has all those leaves, layer after layer. There's lots of fungus in there. Fungus helps with the decomposition. It needs to be in contact with minerals as it's decomposing. So if we can scrape those decomposed leaves off of the floor, that's a great,
we have a lot of
great dressing.